I'm Jay from the Burnout Show, and in this Burnout Extra, I'm going to show you how to replace a wiper blade, specifically a rear wiper blade for a Jeep Cherokee. Now, this process is very similar for almost any wiper blade nowadays. So even if you don't own a crappy Jeep like me, you can still follow along this tutorial, and I'll show you how to put a wiper in. This one is absolutely toast. You can see it's so great that it's falling off for me. Tarpy convinced me to get a new wiper. I will link this down in the description. Now, there's one thing to pay attention to when you're actually ordering the wiper, and that is the length of the wiper itself, as well as how it clips on. That being said, if you go on the website of different parts stores, it will normally find you the exact one for your car. Like I said, this is a rear Jeep one, and it looks just like this. These are actually super easy to replace. Now, some wipers will not bend all the way out. This one actually does. There's a little clip piece, and ultimately you want to slide it into place. So I'll show you how to pop out the old one, and the new one should just pop right into place. So this clip you want to push in like this. This will ultimately help you get it out. But if you just slide it back like so, see how it slides right out there and then comes off. With the new blade now, you just want to do the same thing I just did, but in reverse order. So make sure you have it sliding on the correct way like so. You're gonna bend it down, kind of hook it right into this hook, and then it will snap into place. You'll hear it click, just like that. Super easy and very little time to replace a wiper blade. Once again, I did the rear one here, but it is the same for the fronts, and for a lot of modern cars, it's the same installation process with the security clip over the top. So once again, that's how to replace your wiper blade in pretty much any car. This is our 2000 Jeep Cherokee here on the Burnout Show. If you haven't seen more about this Jeep, there are tons of videos on the channel, so be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more, and I promise you this thing will break down in the future and you'll see another video coming out time after time. Be sure to check out our website, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. This one is absolutely toast. You can see it's so great that it's falling off for me. Dude, that's a bald eagle. That's two bald eagles. Get that on film.
Bro, a couple little young bald eagles. Sound like seagulls.
I'm glad I looked up. I almost didn't. I almost just kept rolling.